If you're seeing Krita error code 1, don't worry. In most cases, it's not a permanent problem. It usually means that an external program or plugin crashed while Krita was trying to run it. The two most common causes are a failed FFmpeg video render or a broken Python plugin installation. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to creating without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the most common situation. If you get the message, process exited with code 1 while making a video or GIF, that usually means Krita's built-in media encoder, FFmpeg, failed during export. The easiest fix here is to change the video profile. Open the render animation window inside Krita, then look for the video encoder settings. If the container is set to MP4, switch it to MKV instead. This small change can solve a lot of export problems because MKV is often more stable for rendering in Krita. After changing the container, try rendering again and see if the error disappears. Now, if you're not rendering video and the error appears when using an AI plugin or another external tool, the problem may be a port conflict. In many cases, the plugin server depends on back-end software like ComfyUI, and that software uses port 8188. If another AI generator is already open, or if a crashed background process is still frozen on that port, Krita may show an error code 1 or a connection refused message. The best fix is to fully reboot your computer. A full restart clears locked ports and stops stuck processes, which is much more effective than just closing the app and reopening it. After rebooting, open Krita again and test the plugin one more time. If the problem still continues, the next step is to clean the corrupted cache. This can happen when an installer download gets interrupted or a plugin file doesn't finish downloading properly. To fix it, close Krita completely first. Then go to your computer's app data folder on Windows or your home directory on Linux and locate the Krita cache folder. Inside that folder, delete the AI, Diffusion, or ComfyUI subfolder. Don't worry, Krita will recreate and download fresh files the next time it needs them. Once the corrupted cache is removed, restart Krita and let it rebuild the missing data automatically. If you use Krita plugins often, it's also a good idea to check that your installation is up to date and that your Python plugin setup is not broken. A damaged plugin install can trigger the same error code 1 message, even when the actual cause is something simple like a missing file, bad download, or interrupted setup. Reinstalling the plugin or refreshing its dependencies can often solve that issue. So to quickly recap, if Krita shows error code 1 during export, change the video container from MP4 to MKV. If the error happens with a plugin or connection refused message, reboot your computer to clear port 8188. And if the issue looks like a bad install, delete the corrupted AI, Diffusion, or ComfyUI cache and let Krita download it again. Those 3 fixes solve most Krita error code 1 problems. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.